Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This lovely gem is located in the residential community of Duncans Bay in Duncans, Trelawny, only steps away from the beautiful Duncans Bay beach with lovely views from all angles of this lovely property. The corner lot is located very close to the beach. This property has three separate sections with a shared main entry patio and separate entries to each section. Section 1 has two bedrooms, 2.5 baths with kitchen and washroom. Section 2 has three bedrooms, three bathrooms with kitchen and washroom. Section 3 has two bedrooms, 2.5 baths with kitchen and washroom. The community is blooming with growth and endless potential, being one of the more established resort communities on the North Coast, and also one of the only communities with its own beach. Known for its quiet getaways and quaint villas, Duncans Bay is perfect living. Whether you are looking for an investment property or personal dwelling, you will definitely fall in love with this property. The land area of this villa is approximately 13,068 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US 850,000 or Jamaican $130.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.